Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Holden Barina hatch LS, stock reference number 5157. This shape runs from the 11th month 2011 through to the 12th month 2018. It has an F16 D4 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. F16 D4 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light with surround, left-hand headlight, left front, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand drawers appear to have no damage, left rear, 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left tail light, tidy bumper cover, light mark in the centre of it, tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 2 small dents, right front door has 3 small dents, right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, MyLink touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.